Hi, this is Miss Jen and my friend the mouth, and today we're going to be talking about your ch sound. To write the ch sound, you will use the letters CH. To make a good ch sound, your tongue is going to touch in the middle of your mouth really quick, and then you're going to explode the sound out of your mouth. So I want you to make a fist like this along with me, and we're going to go ch. Now you try it. All right, if your tongue does not touch in the middle of your mouth, but instead it touches in the front of your mouth, you're gonna have a sneaky t sound. Instead of saying the word chair, you're gonna say the word tear, like I tear the paper. What do we do with sneaky t? We gotta take it and we're gonna throw it away.
To practice your sound, we're gonna walk the whole mountain. We're gonna start off in isolation, doing your sound by itself. Then we're going to move to syllables. Next, we'll do words. And last, we'll use your sound in sentences. It's your job to try and think about using a good sound all the time when you're talking to your family or friends or while you're reading a book out loud. Some of you might start out stuck at the very top of the mountain up here, and that's okay. Our goal is to practice hard so that you can get off the mountain so you're not stuck anymore.
We're going to practice your ch sound in isolation. I want you to make two fists and we're going to go like ch, ch, ch. Now you do it along with me. Ch, 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 ch.
I put our ch sound in the middle. We're going to say our ch sound with long vowels and short vowels. I'm going to go first and you're going to say it right after me. Let's go. Che, cha, chi, che, chai, chi, cho, cha, chew, cha. Now we're going to go backwards. H, ach, each, etch, ich, itch, och, ach, youch, ach.
Now we're going to practice your sound at the word level. You're going to see some pictures go by, and as they go by, I want you to say the word out loud. If you don't know one of the words, feel free to pause the video and ask somebody in your house for help. Make sure to use your sound super clearly. Don't let any sneaky sounds in there.
You just practiced using your sound in the word level. Now we're going to move down to the sentence level. You're going to see some pictures with your sound in it. I want you to make me one sentence for each picture that you see. If you need to pause the video so you can make a great sentence, pause the video, and then return to the next picture.